Fire in the hole. Let's make some chicken roll-ups. Stay tuned, Sandra. You're going to love this one. Hello and welcome once again to my backyard. What I got going for you today is I'm going to make these chicken roll-ups. First thing you got to do is make some candied bacon. I got to show you this. My cousin Lee got me this from somewhere in Asheville, North Carolina. This is called bacon sugar. And what it is, it's like turbinado sugar with cayenne pepper. And I've got a dozen pieces of bacon because I'm making a dozen of these roll-ups, and we're going to just sprinkle these dozen pieces of bacon with this bacon sugar. So we're making candied bacon to wrap around our chicken roll-ups. Don't that look good? It's got like turbinado sugar and cayenne pepper in it. That's what I think's in it. Anyway, that stuff looks amazing, doesn't it? There's nothing like bacon, and it's even better if it's candy bacon, right? So the only way to make bacon better is to candy it. So we're going to candy up our bacon with this stuff. This bacon sugar. Lee, thank you so much. My cousin Lee loves me. She loves to feed me bacon. I think she's trying to kill me. You're not going to inherit anything, Lee. I got to tell you right now. Unless you just want this old grill of mine. But yeah, we've got our candied bacon going for our chicken roll-ups. Let's make the chicken roll-ups next. Stay tuned. So what I got here is some skinless, boneless chicken thighs that I washed in vinegar so that I don't have to worry about cross-contaminating anything. And I'm going to put a little bit of my Rootboy Rub number 2 on there. Just a sprinkle of that on the inside of that chicken thigh. And let me tell you, while I'm talking about it, if you want to buy some Rootboy Rub, I'm having an introductory offer. I'm offering you a jar of each, number 1, number 2, for $3 a jar, plus shipping and handling. It comes out to $13.50. And I'll have a representative of the government bring it to your house. If you live in the United States, the continental United States, you can get a jar of each for $13.50. Just go to my Facebook page and follow the directions there to get to my PayPal. Give me $13.50. I'll give you a jar of each of my rubs. The rubs have been modified a little bit from the original because Tango Joe told me that they were a little too chunky. So the ones you're going to get aren't going to be as chunky as this. Going to be a little bit more ground up. But they're still just as good. Trust me. Anyway, go to my Facebook page. I'll put a link in the description. And get yourself some of my rubs. You'll love them. Everybody who's tried them has loved them. Anyway, we're going to make these cheesy chicken roll-ups. I'm going to put a piece of sharp cheddar cheese. And then a piece of red bell pepper. And some onion in the middle of that. Then we're going to roll it up. That's why it's called chicken roll-ups. Then we're going to wrap that in that, let me get a slice of that bacon over here. I got a slice of that candied bacon. We're going to wrap that chicken roll-up with that candied bacon. Got veggies in there. Got cheese in there. Got bacon on the outside. What could be better than that? Chicken roll-up. I'm just gonna, I think I'll stick a toothpick in there. Let me make another one in case you missed it. Now let me get a nice big chicken thigh here. One of the bigger ones. Here we go. So a nice big chicken thigh. We'll put a little bit of my Rootboy Rub number 2 on there. And I'm not really worried about the chicken or the cheese leaking out. I don't really care that much about it. We'll put a piece of sharp cheddar, a piece of red bell pepper, and some onion in there. Roll that puppy up like that. Get a piece of bacon, candied bacon. We'll lay out our candied bacon right here and wrap that puppy in that candied bacon. This is going to be an awesome weeknight meal for you to make for your family. Easy to do, easy and fun. So I got to make about a dozen of those. I got 2 of them made. You see where I'm going with this. And I got to make about a dozen of those and get them on the grill, and I'll show you what that looks like. So stay tuned. My cheesy chicken roll-ups are on the grill. I'm going to drop a little bit more of that bacon candy on some of these. Just a little bit. Looking good, that stuff. It's flaring up. That's that sugar burning. Okay. Just going to wet that down a little bit with that bacon candy. I'm going to shut the lid on that and let it go till I get it to an internal temperature of about 165 on the chicken. And then we'll get one off of there and we'll take a taste. So stay tuned. My cheesy chicken roll-ups are done. There's the Frosty Rootboy mug. Here's today's beer. This is from Ballast Point Brewing Company, Trade Street Collection, Sour Wench. Now, if you remember a couple of weeks ago, I had Old Man Grumpy. This one's for my old lady, Sour Wench. Just kidding, just kidding. She's a very sweet lady. My wife, Brenda, is a very sweet lady, not a sour wench at all. Oh boy, this stuff looks amazing. Let me tell you what. Let me tell you about this beer. Look at the color of that. Can you see that? Wow, that's beautiful. So what this is ale with blackberries, aged in Chardonnay and Sauvignon wine barrels. Sour Wench. Don't that look good? Look at that. I know that's going to be sour. I bet it's going to be good though. Let's sniff the froth off it. What do you think, Lassa? Man, it smells great. You know, no, it's not Ballast Point, but you know, Dogfish Head, the guy who owns Dogfish Head's always trying to make beer that tastes like wine. This smells like wine and it looks like wine. It's really beautiful. I can't wait to take a taste of it. Lassa, let's quaff that little bit of froth off of there, baby. Wow, that tastes, it tastes like blackberry wine. I'm not kidding. Doesn't taste like beer at all. It is ale with blackberries aged in Chardonnay and Sauvignon barrels. That stuff's, that's awesome. Ballast Point, another great brewery. It's over there in San Diego where Greg lives. He should know all about this beer. Well, let's get one of my chicken roll-ups over here and cut into that puppy and see what it's all about. There's one. What do you think about that? Can you see that? Yeah. So all that cheese kind of stayed in there pretty much, and that candied bacon on top. Let's cut that thing open and see what it looks like. Can't wait to put this in my mouth. Oh yeah, look at that. Not bad at all, huh? Let me take a slice of that and take a taste. And that'll be the end of the video. Oh, yeah. Okay, well, it's not going to stay together. I can see that. But that's okay. I want to get some of that candied bacon and some of that filling. You know, the cheesy veggies that were in the middle of that. Let me get that in my mouth. That's awesome. Oh. That's delicious. Wow. Hey, your family is going to love this. Make this for your family. Cheesy chicken roll-ups. Look at that stuff. It's awesome. I guarantee you'll be the hero of the hour. Okay, babies. That's my video. And like I always say, if you like this crap, please subscribe. If you don't, put on your fat pants and go see Kirby's Fish and Grill. That's what Kirby says. He says put on your fat pants because he's making something that's going to make you fat. And that's what he does. Boy, this stuff is great. That bacon candy stuff is awesome too. That's excellent. This beer is amazing. It's like a cross between wine and beer. It's not real sour, but it's not sweet at all. Anyway, babies, that's my video. If you like this crap, please subscribe. Go see Kirby's Fish and Grill. Go to my Facebook page and get yourself some of my rub. For $13.50, it's a bargain. Let me tell you what. And I'll ship it anywhere in the United States. 2-day air. You'll have it 2 days after you order it. So that's my video, babies. Come back next week. We may not cook anything good, but we will drink a beer. Like this Ballast Point Sour Wench. And my wife's not a sour wench. She's a very nice lady. Okay, babies? See you next week. Bye.